My dear students, once again welcome to Transformers and AC Motors class. Under this subject, Induction Motors, unit number 3, session number 28 is relationship between full load torque and maximum torque, and once again relationship between starting torque and maximum torque. ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೋಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಲೋಡ್ ಟಾರ್ಕಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಟಾರ್ಕಿಗೂ ಯಾವ ಥರ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟಾರ್ಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಟಾರ್ಕಿಗೂ ಹೇಗೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡುವ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟಾರ್ಕ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಟಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೋಟರ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್. Maximum torque is the highest peak value of the torque. Full load torque is the torque at the full load. Relation between full load torque and maximum torque. Let TF full load torque, T max means maximum torque, R2 rotor resistance, it's fixed, X2 rotor reactance at standstill. During running, value changes, rotor reactance values. SF be the slip corresponding to full load torque. Then equation for full load torque directly proportional to the SF R2 divided by R2 square plus SF X2 whole square. We already derived the equation for starting torque and running torque. From that equations we wrote this one, TF equal to or directly proportional to the slip at full load SF. Also maximum torque directly proportional to the 1 by 2x2. The torque equations we can find out this. Next, if you divide this TF by T max, we will get TF by T max equal to this equation divided by this equation, 2SF R2 X2 divided by R2 square plus SF X2 whole square. Dividing both numerator and denominator by X2 square, then we will get left hand side TF by T max X2 square ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು x2 ಇದೆ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಒಂದು x2 ಬರ್ತದಾಗ 2SF R2 by X2. Here R2 by X2 square each ಟರ್ಮಿಗೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Here SF square ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಳಿತದೆ, X2 square cancel ಆಗ್ತದೆ. If you substitute R2 by X2 with A, then you will get equal to 2ASF divided by A square plus SF square, where A is the R2 by X2. Resistance divided by standstill reactance. A is the resistance by rotor reactance at standstill. Then relationship between the full load torque and maximum torque, or ratio of TF by T max equal to 2ASF divided by A square plus SF square, where SF is the full load slip. This is the relationship. Next, relationship between starting torque and maximum torque. Relationship between starting torque and maximum torque, here in this derivation TST is the starting torque, T max is the maximum torque, R2 rotor resistance, X2 rotor reactance at standstill. ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನು ಮೋಟಾರ್ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ರೋಟರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. Here starting torque directly proportional to the R2 by R2 square plus X2 square, because S is 1 at that time. Maximum torque directly proportional to 1 by 2x2. If you divide once again starting torque by T max, you will get 2R2 ಇದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, equation divided by this equation, 2R2 X2 divided by R2 square plus X2 square. Once again divide by X2 square, both numerator and denominator, similar to previous example, 2R2 by X2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು x2 ಇತ್ತು, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ x2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ x2 ಉಳಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ x2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 1 ಆಯಿತು. r2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ x2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು. Then substituting r2 by x2 with a, then numerator ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2a ಆಯಿತು, denominator 1 plus a square, where a is the r2 by x2, rotor resistance by potential reactance per phase. So relationship between starting torque and maximum torque is equal to 2a by 1 plus a square, where a is the ratio of r2 by x2, r2 to x2. Two relationships below torque and maximum torque, and starting torque and maximum torque. You can refer these textbooks, Electrical Technology Volume 2, B.L. Thareja and A.K. Thareja Exchange Publications. Also Electrical Technology and Principles of Electrical Machines by V.K. Mehta and Exchange Publications. All these textbooks soft copy also available. Please refer. Okay, thank you all. Keep on learning, practice more. Happy learning.